Nah ini guys, di mereka.
Oh, when I check it also.
Euro ya.
Okay.
Harganya
Okay.
25.
Wherever place you want.
You guys are lucky because normally it's crowded.
Are the drivers here? The drivers here.
Just park.
So you wanna tell a story here?
We give it to our boss to tell the.
Punya selimut juga.
And there's a funny story about it. This tower is nicknamed the.
Excluding this guy.
No. Tell me the story. The story.
Now we are on the boat touring around Amsterdam.
This is my lovely host, Jess. She will provide you guys with
Pricing is 25 euro ya.
Okay.
Look like the same for me. Jadi mereka punya selimut juga.
Oh, when I check they also recommend us to go to this bridge.
red light district. You can confess it at the church and maybe your sins be washed away if you're lucky.
Dibikin tinggi ke atas gitu. Nggak tahu sih kalau kurang lebih penjelasannya kayak gitu tadi.
Yeah. Are you in a hurry? We can't shoot.
Ada so many point of the starting point of this boat or on that space.
People were confused all the time. Didn't know what time it was. Yeah. So the moral of the story is, even if you're an alcoholic, you can still. Crazy Jack's Tower, because back in the days a guy called Jack was working. His job was to ring the.
Mark, the other real person looking now. The battery take. How long is the battery?
If you need the camera, the battery, then it's the same that we have seen before. Or?
Yeah.
Yeah, really?
We are going by.
But his job was really boring, so he started to drink a lot of alcohol. So everyone came with their boats, as you can see. They're not used as boats anymore. You can.
Just for the status. And you post it on Instagram. What kind of status there?
tips by card. And yeah, I have alcoholic, you can still become a legend here.
Nice.